Equipment Deals is March 25th, 2025. Gonna get a quick little operations video just of the driving on this truck, the driving, the brakes, steering, stuff like that. The crane operation, it all works. I unfortunately don't have any idea how to run it, and neither does anyone else here tonight. So I'm gonna give you a quick little forward, backwards, and steering video, and as well as working the brakes so you guys can see this is a nice, clean running truck. So without further ado, go ahead and take a look at this. Here at Equipment Deals, it is March 25th, 2025. We've got a Western Star 4900 boom truck here. This is a unit used for lifting materials up to high top buildings and apartments that are being built. Usually you put a big stack of drywall or lumber on that, those forks there, and this thing will lift it up there safely. Anyway, I'll give you a quick little walk around here, let you see this unit. So exactly what you're buying. Nice clean little truck, you know. Got knee-deep rubber on it. Looks great. It's got a little bit of a dent on that door. That driver's side door, as you can see, is a bit of a dent. This system is fully remote operated. The remote is inside the truck, I'll show that. It's got a good size aluminum bed on it. Get the third drop in the back. Apologize for the light, guys. We ran out of time today, and the sky is black as can be out here. But really nice set of tires, all aluminum wheels on it. The boom seems to be free of any cracks, visually, that I can see with the naked eye. Nice clean interior on this unit, you know, nice clean door panels, inside and out. Roof is clean, seat is clean. You know, nice little truck. Go ahead and open the hood here and show you there's no blow-by. Guys, I wish I could get more for you today, but really there's not much to show. It's a clean unit. No moisture or buildup of any sort. Runs clean. You got the Detroit DD13 motor with I have a picture of the oil as well you look at. Clean runner. That coolant looks good too. You know, free from any oil in that coolant. And underneath it, it's also really dry. There's no leaks coming from that engine that I can tell. Jumping up in the cab here, I'll show ahead and show the miles. It's showing to have 42,364.6 miles on it total, which is crazy. You know, I don't think these things get driven much. Now that is the miles. All right, so we got an engine brake on this, 3-stage engine brake, cruise control. You can set into sail. Got your that's either a regen cutoff or DEF system. Got your axle drop, which is going down as you can hear. Rear strobe lights, mirror fog lights. I think these are just all empty here, letting for something else. Headlights, obviously dash. You got all those things, washer, high-low, all those sort of things. Inner lockers, you got the diff lockers in the rear as well. And then you got your Allison transmission. We got a system here, a camera system here. Radio, nice clean top on it. We got ourselves a fully remote system to run the thing. I don't know how to operate the thing, but it does have a remote, completely remote to do that. It does have the manual to run the thing here as well. I'm guessing this is the receiver as well for that. So, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, it's a really nice equipped truck. You know, even the seat's pretty clean. The foam is a little bit worn, but nothing terrible. So if I had more time today, I'd show you this crane in operation. We may have another video for you to watch for that, but nice clean truck, ladies and gentlemen. Can't get any cleaner than this. Nice knee-deep rubber on the thing. Got the drop in the back. You know, clean lift on it. Extendable lift. I'll get all the specs on that as well. Look at the ad in the description, and you can check it out there. Anyway, if you're interested in this truck, it's located here in Arlington, Texas. Give us a call, 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ-DEALS. It is open for preview. I have to come out and test the truck out, make sure it's what you want and everything works in your satisfaction. Please do so. But if you're interested, it's located here in Arlington, Texas. Equipment Deals at 972-666-9501. Thank you very much.